After 13 seasons, the time for an upgrade was ripe. Technology has changed. The expectations of our guests have changed.
Best Buy Business was integral into what we call the second phase of our Scoreboard 2.0 project.
The Twins were looking to not only upgrade the scoreboards, but they upgraded the video content in the stadium.
We wanted to make sure that whatever we were producing in our scoreboard was able to be replicated across all of the display formats that we have at a target field.
They wanted TVs to match the resolution that this new content would have.
It was natural for us to want to upgrade and create bigger, better viewing opportunities for our guests.
Definitely the sheer size of a stadium it can be daunting when you first plan it. It took a lot to uncover where everything was.
That involved a thorough site walk of the facility to look at all their existing displays and mounts, see what we could reuse, and see what new displays would best fit their needs.
As we walked around and cataloged the TVs, we looked at all the indoor and outdoor locations.
They helped us set up multiple different manufacturers and also multiple different sort of applications in some of these areas where we had questions about where there's sunlight coming in.
I was able to work with multiple vendors, and we brought in demos to help give the Twins an idea of what it's going to actually look like in person with the lighting condition from indoor, outdoor, sun, brightness.
There's a lot of TV locations you've noticed that are hard to get to.
I made templates of a 50, 55, 65, 75-inch TV.
We called them TVs on a stick.
We were able to put it on the stick and lift it up there to show them exactly what that size would look like.
And they were very helpful in assisting us to determine where to place new monitors.
600 TVs, it's hard to find, TV 421, right? We worked with their IT department to develop this app, and we used that as we moved around the facility.
The application was super helpful.
So this tells you exactly where it's at in the building, how to get to it, and in what network it's connected as well. And that's gonna help them down the road for service, knowing where a TV is and location of everything. I think the most value we can add as a company is just our coordination between all of our teams. We have thousands and thousands of agents nationwide, and we cover most footprints.
Best Buy has a dedicated team of 20 engineers with industry certifications. We also have dedicated project management team, project coordinators, and sales support staff.
We're able to support on a level that most people can't.
Best Buy Business also helped us with a smaller project down in our spring training facility down in Fort Myers, Florida.
All the public-facing TVs needed to be changed out. And working with the same team, not only on the procurement, but the installation, was seamless and was very easy for us.
The value turns out to me to be those relationships.
I would definitely recommend Best Buy Business. They made a difficult job look easy.
Our fans have definitely noticed a difference, not only in the size, but the resolution of the TVs.
Looks great, operates great, and so we couldn't be happier.
They hit this one, as they would say, out of the park.